Hello, everyone. My name is Andy Zheng, and I am a senior analyst here on the data science and implementation team at VNL. Today, I'm excited to be giving you a walkthrough of the network mapping feature, particularly the GIS map feature of the analyzer on our partner CPRM platform. I'll be using the Jeffco CPRM project data as an example. This is a fully public project we did together with the Jefferson County government of Colorado. So to get here, you will need to make sure that your members, your organizations have GIS data tagged to them, whether through the upload or whether you could do that manually on the members management screen. So if you click explore here and then go to networks and use this drop down to switch to the particular network you want to take a closer look at, you'll be getting to the analyzer. The first tab is network map, which I covered in a separate video. And the second tab will be GIS map. If you click on that, you'll get to here. So right now you can see this is similar to the network map, but the nodes representing the organizations, they're all pinned to their actual location on the GIS map. So this is the state of Colorado. And you can see most of the organizations are here in the Denver area. We can color and size the nodes very similarly to before on the network map feature. For example, I can color code the nodes based on their sector. And the legend here still can be used as a quick filter. For example, if I want to just limit it to the nonprofit organizations now, the public and private are being turned off. These node and relationship numbers are being updated live based on exactly how many nodes and relationships is shown to you on the map. And we can also size the nodes based on any particular centrality measure or value and trust score if they're being used in the data collection. So now I size it to centrality, which refers to the number of partners each organization have. So a larger node like this would have more connections. This node is connected to 26 partners, whereas this one being smaller is only connected to 6. We can zoom in a fair amount to see where exactly each of the node is located. Bear in mind, because sometimes in particular urban areas, the location of organizations can be very close to each other. So sometimes they end up on top of each other. This is kind of a downside of using the GIS mapping feature for certain kind of networks if they have a particular dense layout based on the actual locations. We can also color code and size by with the relationship data we have. For example, let me just show you if I want to select the relationship data based on the level of collaboration, I can set the color by to that. And now you can see the various level of collaboration from awareness to cooperative to coordinated to integrated, all colored with different colors. There are a lot more yellow than say green here. There are more cooperative activities than integrated activities among relationships reported in this network. Really helps you break down and see a closer look. And lastly, I wanted to show we have included some new base layers. Some are Colorado specific. For example, this Colorado Health Statistics region. This is the state of Colorado, and it's being broken down into all these different zones. So we have Colorado Economic Region. They are color-coded differently, and then there is a specific legend here for the background base layer here. Or we can show some of the coded ones with shading. For example, if I want to see the percent of a county that is 65% or older in their population, this is the base layer. The darker the shade, the more, the greater the percentage of the aging population is in that particular county. So now we can see that this particular Jeffco network has organizations located in several of these different counties. And finally, we have a new feature here. If you click on the Save Settings, now you will be able to save this GIS map to be used in a dashboard. I'm going to call it GIS percent 65 and older. And now this visualization is saved in my visualizations library. When I create a dashboard, I'll be able to add this particular map with all the settings I've used, the colors and the sizing, and then the base layers. They will all be saved when I add it to the dashboard. I hope this is helpful.